So, you have half a decent camera and you want to try to make some extra cash with it. But how do you do that without all the extra gear that professional photographer has? The short answer is you don't. You need to understand that you're looking for a different type of client. Clients with simple, low-risk briefs. In this video, I will share with you 5 ways how you can do that. By the way, I'm Adi and I'm portraiture photographer from Bulgaria. Interior photography. Interiors can be very demanding, but we are not talking about high-end magazines photo shoots. There is plenty of Airbnbs, local restaurants, small hotels and shops that need some images for their websites, social media or even Google Maps. In those cases, you can take a quality photo that fits your client's needs using just wide-angle lens, a tripod and some natural light. Food photography. Food industry has grown a lot in the recent years. Today, there are many of local restaurants, coffee shops, and you probably know someone who has a cooking blog or working on their own cooking book. Maybe they want to step up their menus or social media pages. You can help them get amazing photos using only natural light and again your camera, one lens and a tripod. Professional headshots. Everybody needs them because LinkedIn is a thing now. You can shoot them in the studio with white and dark background, but today many people choose to shoot them in the street, in the park or in their own professional environment. So you can do them again using only natural light and one lens. Family portraits. Families that live apart from their relatives like to take the occasional photo shoot. They like to use these photos as a present or just post them in social media. Usually, families' photo shoots are done in the spring, in the fall, or around major holidays. You can shoot them in the studio, but you don't really need one. You can do the photo shoot in local parks or even the comfort of your client's home. Influencers and content creators. Many influencers are happy with just their iPhones, but once they start to grow and the work became overwhelming, they are looking to delegate some of the work. You can take quality photos and take care of the editing while they are focused on their actual business. Bonus idea. Considering you managed to get a gig from one of those ideas, or you're just actively shooting in your own time, you end up with tons of images. It's time to think about stock photography. The rates are bad and it's definitely not a way to make a living in most cases. But if you already have the images, there are stock sites that require almost no extra work from you to upload in them. And you might end up with some bonus money every few months. Just remember to always be clear and upfront with your clients about using some of the photos in stock sites. So guys, that was my 5 ideas to make money with your camera. I hope this video was helpful to you and I'm curious what your experience is. Tell me in the comments and let's help each other.